In this video, I'm wood turning the rarest wood in the world, Mahoakany. It's a genetic splice of oak and mahogany into the genes of Microbalenia brazilensis, aka Zebrano. The striations extend all the way through the wood, making it perfect for wood turning awesome looking projects. Stay tuned to see how my take on Yin Yang bowls turned out. So actually, the approach I took was to slice blocks of oak and mahogany at an angle with fixed widths throughout. I've been using oak and Sippo mahogany mainly because I have a lot of scraps of it lying about the workshop, but also because I really like the contrasting colours without it going to an extreme. So if you're thinking of ebony and maple, for example. But tell me in the comments below, which two types of wood do you prefer and why? The slices are then stacked, alternating both species back into a rough block shape. But whatever you do, don't let me near the setup for a domino rally. After a little more patience in the stacking process, the blocks are marked and then glued, giving 2 blocks of laminated wood for 2 bowls. In using a different wood for the starting layer, both blocks are therefore subtly different when viewed side by side, and as I recall a professional woodworker who didn't like repetition once say, if you're wood turning a pair of candlesticks, it's one too many. Hopefully this provides enough variation between the two. Type 1-2 allows better working time to get everything restacked and positioned before the clamping process. And believe me, it was a process. Once dried, then it's on to trimming up the 2 matching blocks and then rough cutting it into polygons. Of course, this would be a perfect time to insert a dad type joke here, but I don't really need to, do I? Finally, onto the lathe. Now initially we're going to true up the sides and then profile the base, because as you know, it's all about the base. I'm definitely out of my comfort zone now. I mean, this is the longest time in a project of not having used carbide tools, or even resin. Now I know some viewers prefer that, but yet others will be demanding that I get back to my old ways. Why don't you comment down below what type of projects do you prefer? Phew! I could only last so long. Actually, I do need to buy a large negative rake scraper. They look awesome as a weapon. As a tool. Perhaps I shouldn't be surprised, but with the wood slices all at an angle, these bowls were turning beautifully. After hollowing and sealing one of the blanks, then it's time to turn to the other one. Now don't forget that if you want a slice of the rarest wood in the world, then send me a large check and I'll send you a slab of mahogany. A mahogany bowl. One of the best things about this piece is that you get a different pattern depending on your angular perspective. So you could get straight lines, or a swirl, or even a yin yang pattern. Or maybe it's an electron wave function of a p orbital. Let me know what you think. Thanks for watching, and as always I'd love to hear your comments in the section below. If you like this project, please hammer that like button, glue your finger to the subscribe button, and sand and polish that bell icon. Why not also share this video with others? So thanks so much for your time, take care, and see you on the next project.